Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have this tube squeezer and I just wanted to share some information with you, because if you take it right out of the box, this is what it's supposed to look like. Now, some people don't look at the instructions and they just take and think it's supposed to be pulled apart like this, and all of a sudden it falls apart. Now it makes it a little bit harder to work with because you got to figure out what you've done. Now if you take it, flip this over, let me see here, a little difficult, there we go. You can take it and flip it over. Now you may think it works like this, but it don't, because it falls apart. So what you want to do is look back here, and you want to take and push the plate right back up in here, just like so. Grab the front of it and push it, and it'll throw it right back up on the back of there. Now it's set. Just don't pull this handle out. What you want to do, put your fingers in right here, just like that. Lift that up like that. See, now this tube, we'll just push it up and you just squeeze it right in. Set it up just like that, and now you're ready to go. It's not going nowhere. So I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.